Alright, y'all, we're going to run Kerby's Pick a Pistol Razz. There are 100 spots at $6.50 a spot. Copy our list and go live. At 3:32. It is 3:32. Let's paste our list with 100 spots and roll with it slowly so everybody can see their names. With 100 spots, we are going to need a 7 or higher on our dice. Alright, we have a 10, 2 5s. Here we go for the first time at 3:33. After the first time, there are 100 items on the list. Ryan is on top. T.C. Walters is on bottom. The dice calls for a 10, so here we go at 3:33. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9th time, there are 100 items on the list. Sonia Legelo is on top. Rob Harvey is on bottom. We've randomized 9 times. The dice, 2 5s, call for a 10. Here we go for the last time at 3:33, rolling to 3:34. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 68, Stephen Sable, you are the winner. Congratulations. There are 100 items on the list. Here's all 1 through 100. All 100 items. We randomized 10 times. The dice, 2 5s, did call for a 10. We are done at 3:34. It is 3:34. Congratulations to spot number 68, Stephen Sable.